What's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly. I'm back with another daggone video, y'all. So today, you know, I got a bunch of things going on today. So I gotta do a few errands, but I'm gonna be changing my tail lights right here. I'm gonna be changing these. So they finally sent the other pair, so I'm about to go change those, knock that out, and see how she looks completely done with the I forgot what the tail lights, the marker lights done and everything like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and start her up, you know. Shout out to everybody that's gonna be there on the giveaway and everything like that, because it will be starting soon. But let me go ahead and start her up right now. It's a hot day too. I don't know how she's gonna sound when it's warm like this. Let's see. Oh, she still sound good. You see I'm Bronco down, you know that's my team. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the Grizzly Gang, man, and the Grizzly Squad. And if you have a 300, you know you already gotta subscribe to the 300 gang. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. All right. Oh my goodness, this is a good day out here, y'all. It is 1:30. I'm super looper late. I'm about to head up to my man's Charles' house to get it. Yes, sir. Alright, that's it. God, it feels so good out here, man. Oh my goodness. What's the temperature? 70 degrees? It feel hotter than that. I got my hoodie and everything, but I took that jacket off. It feel way too good. So I'm about to get these things done. Pull it at my boy Charles' house, man. If you already know Charles, man. Ooh, look at that. Oh, a lady got it too. She got the color I wanted and everything. So I was gonna get this color if they had the panoramic, and they got the panoramic roof. Oh my goodness, but it looked like she got the V6. I could tell by the I could definitely tell by the brake pads. They're not big. You could tell the difference. If y'all know Mopar, y'all know about the brake pads and stuff like that. Y'all could tell. And that's the color I wanted. Man, that's the color I wanted right there. I wanted that smoke gray. But black is cool too. This is my second option. Well, this is my third option, because blue, they didn't have blue, and they only had like blue with the white what is it, the white and black interior, which is ugly. Oh, Charles got his car in the shop. Alright, so we better hurry up and get these drinks done, man, because I got a busy day. I got things to do, people to see. Alright, y'all, I'll be right back. Well, y'all gonna see me do the install. I'm gonna try to do the time lapse and everything, try to get that done for you guys. We're gonna have my car just blacked out. Ain't gonna be no you know, factory stuff on it, pretty much, except for so I got no emblems on this thing. So it's D-badge, and now the markers are about to be changed, so it's gonna be really just blacked out, kind of murdered out. What people say, they say murdered out and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm about to get that done, and then yeah. So Grizzly Gang, I got this one out. It's fairly easy. I got it on time lapse too. So all you had to do was unscrew. You're gonna screw this one and this one. You're gonna need like the 5-star. It's like the little star thing. I think it's a 10. You're gonna need that one. You need that one to unscrew it. So you're gonna need a ratchet. Of course, you need this to take off the bumper, and then you just unplug it and then take this off. And then see how it goes. So you want like that. So now I'm about to put in the new one. This is the new one. I want to make sure that it works, because they sent me the new ones. These are the new ones. So they say they tested them and it worked. So if it don't work, I think it's all wrong with my car. But it works with the old one, so I don't know why it shouldn't work with the new ones. So let me go ahead and test this out. All right, so I'm about to test them out. So all you do is turn on your lights. If you got a charger, what? Alright, they work. They look good too. Nice LEDs. Just turn it back off. Now it's time to reinstall. All right, Grizzly gang, so we got this one started up. Let's see. Ooh, you see how it go? It's nice and flush. So that's gonna be at night. You're gonna get to see that. And then of course, you already know the rear ones is red. So yeah, so that's how it's gonna look. So now I'm about to go to the other side. I did the time lapse and everything, so y'all can see how it was for the first one. What you do is you take the plastic part. Let me just show y'all. And sorry for the wind noise if it's bad. So you gotta take your clips out. Let me see if we can get the clips. You take your clips out, of course. 1, 2, 3. After you take the clips out, you take there's a bolt right here that takes all, so you can detach your bumper from the car. So once you do that, you're able to use your 5-star or your low star. I forgot what it's called. If y'all know what this is, you use this to take off the bolts or take off the screws to this. You unplug it, then you plop in the other one. You take this one out and you plop in the new one. So this is how the old ones look. Where's it at? I think I put it in the car already. I think I did. Let me see. I don't know where I put it. I think I put it in here. Let me see. I don't know where the heck I put that in. So you put, oh here, I put it over here. So this is what the old one looks like, which I like because it's orange, but it's not matching the back. So that's how the old one looks. When it's on there, boom, it just lights up right here. But this one lights all the way down. So that's what you do. That's the look that you want to get when you actually get the LED ones. You want the light to go all the way down. So be shining at night, you know, so nobody don't hit me. All right, so now I'm about to do the other side. I'm not going to record the other side because all you need is one side to really explain it, because the one side is the same as the other side. You know, it's no different. So now I'm about to do that. Like, it better right to you. That ain't fun. Is a guy? Oh no! Is a guy that races them? So you don't like the RC?
They used to race out there. There used to be a hobby shop right there at Forestville Mall.
He good at this thing too. Yeah, it's like the car meets, they be racing them. They be going fast. Look, his wheels off that thing. Goodness, that thing fast. Ooh, I think she look even better. So she don't got. So it's like murdered out kind of. See this black right here. So yeah, let me just give y'all a nice little view of Black Beauty, man. She black, man. Especially on the side. I gotta get something on the side to like really make her stand out. Cause you see the back, you see the top. So if you see the side of the car, I mean, you see it, you like, all right, that's nice. But I gotta get something extra on the side. The calipers make it pop out too. And then of course, you know, my stickers and stuff make it pop out and everything. But she looking good, man. Somebody threw all this bread on the ground. They probably trying to feed the birds. Birds don't want that. They want nice bread. They don't want that bread. They gave them the cheap bread. They want Arnold bread. Yes, sir. That fin though, oh my god, man! Shout out to Eva Customs, man, for doing this. And my boy Jason for installing it. Y'all know y'all good. Got the 4.5-inch tips on the thing. Yeah, she sound mean. All right, man. I'm about to go on by my day, man. Man, if y'all new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button and everything, man, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day, man. You see I'm back on my grind, I'm back on my step. I'm about to do this giveaway and I'm be done with my day. And then I got some more things going on with this, and yeah, I got to meet up with another 300, man, another 300 gang dude. So yeah, it's 300 gang all the way, you know, when you come into the DMV. You see the charges, they going crazy right now, man. The charges are hot, but the 300s, man, we taking over right now, man. It's time to go. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.